Good morning and welcome to virtual class. Subject Social Studies, Lesson 1.3, Chapter name Our Village. Today we will discuss here about village. हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ आज के को बारेमा पढ्छौं? Our village. What is village? What is village assembly? What is village executive? How many members are there in village assembly and how many members are there in village executive? And what are the work? What are the work done by village assembly and what are the work done by village executive? Today we will study in this chapter, yes? And in this chapter there is a conversation between two friends, two best friends. They are very talented students of their school, yes? They are very talented, they are talented students of their school. They always talk about the subject matter and they share their ideas, views when they get time to talk with each other. जब तिनीहरुसँग कुनै टाइम हुँदै इन्टरभल टाइम या कुनै फ्री टाइम हुँदै तिनीहरुले चाहिँ त्यो आफ्नो सब्जेक्ट मेटरको बारेमा चाहिँ के गर्थे कुराकानी गर्थे भोलि कुन सब्जेक्ट कुन च्याप्टर पढाइ हुने हो त त्यसको बारेमा पहिले नै तिनीहरुले के गर्थे डिस्कस गर्थे दे शेयर आइडियाज भ्यूज विथ इन देम and they are talking about village and today I will read that conversation. Yes, in their conversation they discuss about village assembly and village executive. I am going to start this conversation. Ramesh and Dhanya are the part of this conversation. Okay, Dhanya. Hello Ramesh, how are you? Ramesh, I am fine. What about you? Dhanya, I am fine too. What should we discuss, Ramesh? हामीले आज के डिस्कस गर्ने थियो? Ramesh said, today we will discuss about village because tomorrow our teacher teach this lesson. So today we will discuss about village. And Ramesh asked to Dhanya that, Dhanya, you know about village? And Dhanya said, yes, I know about village. Village is a human settlement smaller than a town. मान्छेको बस्ती हो जो शहर भन्दा चाहिँ सानो हुन्छ. Yes, we know that village is smaller than town. Yes, there are many villages in our country and they are developed. The development of such villages lead to development of our country. त्यस्तै भिलेजहरु त्यस्तै गाउँहरु डेभलप हुँदा हुँदै एउटा कन्ट्री बन्न जान्छ. Yes, that is why the government has established rural municipality for the institutionalized development of our village. त्यही भएर चाहिँ सरकारले चाहिँ गाउँपालिका बनाइदिनु भएको छ. हामीले गाउँपालिकाबाट हरेक काम गर्छौं. यस, हामीले कुनै पनि काम गर्नु छ भने हामी गाउँपालिकामा गएर मात्रै काम हुन्छ. And there are 460 rural municipality in our country. 460 वटा rural municipality छ हाम्रो कन्ट्रीमा. And Ramesh, could you tell me more about rural municipality? Dhanya, Ramesh ले फेरि सोध्छ के तिमीले मलाई rural municipality को बारेमा बताउन सक्छौ त? What is the meaning of rural municipality? And Dhanya said, yes, why not? Listen, our government has declared a rural area having one or more villages with 4 demarcated boundaries as a rural municipality in order to carry out administrative and development in work. यो रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटी भनेको यो भिलेजहरुलाई डेभलप गर्ने, त्यहाँ आएको कामहरुलाई अगाडि बढाउने, त्यसको लागि चाहिँ यो भिलेज यो चाहिँ के भएको हो रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटी बनेको हो. रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटीमा गइसकेपछि चाहिँ के हुन्छ यो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ वर्कहरु डेभलपमेन्ट वर्कहरु चाहिँ अगाडि बढ्छ. तिनीहरुको जिम्मेवारी हो तिनीहरुले चाहिँ अगाडि लैजान्छ. their responsibility is this to go forward for development. And next, village assembly and village executive are formed. र त्यसपछि बल्ल village assembly र village executive के हुन्छ फर्म हुन्छ. The executive power is with village executive according to the present constitution, the legislative power of every rural municipality is on village assembly. अहिलेको कन्स्टिट्युसन अनुसारले चाहिँ जति पनि जिम्मेवारी वर्क छ भिलेजको त्यो सबै चाहिँ केमा छ भिलेज एसेम्ब्लीमा छ. लेजिस्लेटिभ पावर जति पनि छ त्यो सबै चाहिँ भिलेज एसेम्ब्लीमा छ. र नेक्स्ट इज एजुकेटिभ पावर इज विथ भिलेज एजुकेटिभ र एजुकेटिभ पावर चाहिँ कोसँग छ भिलेज एजुकेटिभसँग छ. And today Ramesh said rural municipality has minimum 5 and maximum 15 wards. कम्तीमा 5 वटा र धेरैमा 15 वटा वार्ड हुन्छ भनेर चाहिँ रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटीमा चाहिँ रमेशले के गर्छ कन्भर्सेसनमा बताउँछ. A village assembly consists of 49 members. If the rural municipality has 9 ward, total कतिवटा मेम्बर हुने रहेछ त 49. चेयरपर्सन, भाइस चेयरपर्सन, वार्ड चेयरपर्सन, वार्ड मेम्बर 36, yes, including 2 women. दुईजना वुमेन्सलाई इन्क्लुडिङ गरेर टोटल 36 मेम्बर हुन्छन्. Yes, member elected from Dalit and majority people. Yes, दुईजना फेरि दलितबाट पनि हुन्छ. Same like that, some of them are elected by the people of the same rural municipality who are then 18 years old. रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटी बाटै चाहिँ के हुन्छ इलेक्टेड हुन्छन् एबोभ 18 इयर्स 18 वर्ष भइसकेपछि. हामी पनि 18 वर्ष भइसकेछ र हामी सिटिजनशिप पाइसकेछौं भने हामीले भोट दिन सक्छौं. र रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटीबाट पनि त्यस्तै हुन्छ. इलेक्सन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ एबोभ 18 इयर्स कोले मात्रै त्यो भोट दिन पाउँछ. अदर आर नोमिनेटेड बाइ भिलेज एसेम्ब्ली. र जुन अरु हुन्छ नियम अनुसारले चाहिँ भिलेज एसेम्ब्लीले चाहिँ आफै के गर्छ नोमिनेट गर्छ. यस, भिलेज एसेम्ब्ली कम्प्रोमाइज अफ 1 चेयरपर्सन एन्ड 1 vice chairperson from village executive. Ward chairperson 4 ward members from each ward and 2 members from Dalit and minority. पिछडिएका जुन कासा हाम्रो पछि परेको छ त्यस्तोबाट पनि हामी के गर्छौं 2 वटा मेम्बर चाहिँ लिन्छौं. Yes, people in the same rural municipality. Besides, there is a provision to have at least 2 women from each ward for village assembly. र मैले अघि नै पनि हजुरहरुलाई भनिसके वार्ड मेम्बर चुज गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ दुईटा वुमेन चाहिँ लिनै पर्ने हुन्छ. Yes, and what is the qualification required in village assembly? First I want to discuss this village assembly, meaning of village assembly. Village assembly is composed of the village council chairperson, vice chairperson, the 5 ward committee members from each ward of the village and 2 members elected to the village executive by the village assembly from the Dalit or minority community. Yes, this is the meaning of village assembly. Well, अघि नै पनि यसलाई डिस्क्राइब गरिसके village assembly भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि जहाँ चेयरपर्सन, यस, भाइस चेयरपर्सन, वार्ड मेम्बरहरुलाई चाहिँ इलेक्टेड गरिन्छ र अरु चाहिँ हामीले 18 इयर्समा हामीले भोट गरेर नोमिनेसन गर्छौं भने अरु चाहिँ भिलेज एसेम्ब्लीले आफै गर्छ. यस, व्हाट इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफिकेसन? Required qualification is number 1, who is a resident of the concerned rural municipality. Rural municipality who is minimum 21 years, who is minimum 21 years old. कम्तीमा 21 वर्ष above जुन हुन्छ त्यस्तोलाई चाहिँ हामीले राख्छौं. And qualification required for the candidate. Yes, a Nepali citizen who has the following qualification can be a candidate for village assembler for this post. Yes. A resident of the concerned rural municipality who is minimum 21 years old has not been declared as incapable by law has been included in the voter list. रुरल म्युनिसिपालिटीको बारेमा सबै डिटेल्स थाहा भएको त्यसमा इन्गेज भएको व्यक्ति एज एबभ 21 इयर्स ओल्ड कुनै नियम कानुनमा चाहिँ नराम्रो चीजमा चाहिँ नपरेको यस एन्ड इन्क्लुडिङ भोटर लिस्ट र ऊ भोटर लिस्टमा परेको मात्रै त्यो व्यक्ति चाहिँ के हुन्छ क्वालिफाइड हुन्छ यस and today I will give you some work related to this chapter yes and please complete your work yes and complete your work and show me this is your work and please complete your work okay write about village assembly I have written here yes what is the meaning of village assembly how many women member are there in a village assembly कति जना मेम्बर हुन्छ त अघि भर्खरै मैले हजुरहरुलाई एक्सप्लेन गरे टु मेम्बर यस एन्ड हाउ इज द विलेज असेम्बली फर्म एक्सप्लेन कसरी विलेज असेम्बली फर्म हुन्छ त यसलाई पुरा डिटेल्समा लेख्नुस् जुन मैले अघि हजुरहरुलाई माथि भने विलेज असेम्बलीमा चाहिँ हामी लागिसकेपछि कसरी अगाडि बढ्दै जान्छौं यस कति मेम्बर हुन्छ र कसरी हुन्छ त्यो अघि जुन भने त्यो प्लस बुकमा पनि हेर्नु होला बुकमा पनि यसको आन्सर दिएको छ यस प्लिज राइट एन्ड शो योर होमवर्क इन टाइम ओके एन्ड नेक्स्ट डे therefore we will discuss about village educated how many members are in village educated these all are discussed in next class okay thank you